If you're imagining that you're going to be able to just build one UpViral campaign and make sales immediately, I think that you're going to be surprised that that's probably not going to happen. But if you follow this process, you're going to end up with an amazing campaign, a really great list, and money in the bank. All right, so I wanted to just take a real quick minute and show you how to use UpViral as a lead capture system for a specific kind of marketing. And that marketing is called direct response marketing. Here's why it's interesting is that you have outbound marketing, you have inbound marketing, you have ways to expose your brand and educate others. But direct response marketing is a very particular kind of super efficient marketing. It's a way for you to identify your target market, allow them to raise their hand and say, yes, I'm in, let me know more. And then you build a very structured, very specific list of people who are interested in your product or service. It's that simple. It's not an idea of just sending traffic and building any kind of list. It's about sending specific traffic that then says, yes, I'm interested. And we want that because it doesn't matter how big your list is. It doesn't matter how many people have actually raised their hand and said, yes, I'm interested. It's about how many actually buy something. So there are lots of vanity metrics about conversion rates and the number of people who are on my list and all that other stuff. Well, hogwash. None of that matters except for how many sales are you making. You can't make sales to people who aren't interested. You can't make sales to people who don't like your offer. You can't make sales to people who are not in your target market, right? So that's why direct response marketing is so powerful. And this is the way I use UpViral to generate highly targeted, laser focused, and very interested lists. So with as little information on a specific campaign as possible, I'm going to do this so that it can be very generic. And what I want to do is I just want to show you a picture that's on my screen, and this is built by a special tool called Market Plan. I happen to use it for my clients. We get to hear and interact. But this is a typical viral campaign where we would have a lead capture page up front. That is the UpViral front end offer. That offer is specific to your target market. What you're trying to do is identify something that your best customers will be willing to crawl through broken glass to get. So let me back up just one second. When I say best customers, I mean, who are they? What do they look like? What's their behavior? What other things do they appreciate, right? The idea is if you can imagine in your brain and look at your data for who purchases your products and who signs up for your services the best. Those are the types of people we're trying to attract. We want more of them, right? So this offer, the one that they would love to crawl through broken glass, they don't care about the goofy grammar on the page. They don't care about the bad images. They care about the product and they care about the service. They care about crawling through this process of putting their email and their address in, their name in, and hitting go so that they can get whatever it is. Well, that whatever qualifies them as a possibly good lead for your company and for your business, right? So what are those kinds of things? Well, it could be, I don't know, with spitball for just a minute. If you're a restaurant, it could be a dinner for 2 or a dinner for 4 or dinner for 10, right? It could be a related package with all the other restaurants in the area. We know that they like to go out, they're local, and we have an audience that would be most interested, right? It could be a service kind of like mine, where I would put together a gift package that's part of education. Those that are educated tend to be better customers for me, and that education is very specific to what I will do in my business. So I can put together an offer package that has books and webinars. It might have special infographics. It might have a special workshop, all of that. And that's me giving something away so that I can attract individuals, right? If you're in the physical products niche, what is the best physical product in your market, in your niche right now that's been reviewed by amazing resources, right? Grab some publications, try to figure it out. Those are the kinds of things that you could put up front. And look, your job is to go find that for your own business. And oftentimes you'll see me and maybe Mitch on here trying to help you identify what those offers are. But we don't know your business like you know your business. We don't know your customer like you know your customer. So go and figure it out. If you need some help, we're here to help you. All right. So you have a lead capture page that says, hey, look, I want to offer this to you. I want you to have an opportunity to win it. One of the two, right? Because UpViral will do both. You can give away to everyone and then provide bonuses later, or you could give away to 1, 2, 3 people, however you want to do that, in a real giveaway that's a weighted kind of draw. So you do that in the lead capture bit. And then in the share page, this is what happens when they get into the competition or the contest or the giveaway. You're there to say, way to go. Now you've made this dramatic step toward the next process in being better at who you are, right? Let's go back to the restaurant. Congratulations, you're in. Now you get a chance to impress your friends with a party for 10. Let me tell you how you can legally stuff the ballot box. Boom. Now all of a sudden we have some rules and opportunities for them to earn more points. Okay, let's go back and for mine, let's imagine that I'm giving away this education package. Well, congratulations, you're in. You have just made the first step to amazing sales, and all you have to do is really focus on the educational pieces that are in that package, and this is what's going to happen in your business. Now, let me tell you how to stuff the ballot box so you get a better chance than everyone else at winning this great package, right? They know what they did. They are in. They understand it. Now, not only have they raised their hand, but they're excited, and their excitement then kind of spills over into everyone else. Now, let's imagine it's a physical product, and they are in this giveaway. You say, boom, you're in. Well, congratulations. You get a chance to be one of the exclusive owners of this really amazing product that was reviewed by X, Y, and Z, and you know already that it's going to change your life, and this is how it's going to change your life. Let me show you how to legally stuff the ballot box, okay? And when you do that, you're giving them an opportunity to be able to share, and as they share, they're earning points. They're earning points because they're actually sharing it out, but they're also earning points as people are signing up to the competition. Well, that's fantastic, right? Well, you want that to occur, and that's why you want this relentless encouragement. All of that is part of a direct response campaign. You have now created a list of laser-targeted leads. What you do with those leads could be this next step through here, and all I normally do is provide a bridge page that would say, hey, look, I know that you're into this competition, and I think you probably want one of these. Well, that's awesome, right? Because it just takes that same notion to say, hey, look, you're in, and I get that. You probably like this product over here. Now I could start to market to you and give you all of those value-driven, benefit-driven headlines, bullet points, and fundamentals to show that we have helped other people. Here is the social proof to that. Here's how you can get your hands on it. And look, if you don't buy it, doesn't hurt my feelings. I just want to make sure that you have an opportunity to get it, right? And so that's the bridge page. The offer is the offer, and it's usually an order page or something like that. And it says, gives you all the details, is what's going to cost you. Here's what my guarantee is, and this is how to get it. And afterwards, you have a thank you or a bonus page. And that is kind of it for a traditional direct response marketing campaign. The direct response part is here, and that is I'm asking you to raise your hand in direct response to my offer. That offer is not generally to sell something. That offer could be a no cost plus shipping kind of offer. It can be a low barrier of entry offer. It could be a giveaway. It could be lots of different things. And there are lots of experiments that people have done for a long time to show the different kinds of campaigns that go through. And you can think of it as simply your way of getting laser targeted leads. That's the lead capture part of UpViral. And then using that, you can drive traffic directly through here. What's unique about UpViral is that you can actually create a desired path for people as they come through the share page, put in a custom action that says go see the bridge page. Well, now all of a sudden you've incentivized them to go see it, and as you're marketing to them, they've visited it, and they're not seeing it for the first time. Remember that most people, in order to have to buy something or feel comfortable to buy something from you, they're going to have to be asked anywhere between 9 and 12 times, or presented the opportunity to buy 9 to 12 times. This is not what the UpViral component is designed to do. It's designed to grab the lead, and then for your marketing efforts to continue to provide that follow-up so that it turns into sales. So if you're imagining that that you're going to be able to just build one UpViral campaign and make sales immediately, I think that you're going to be surprised that that's probably not going to happen. But if you follow this process, you're going to end up with an amazing campaign, a really great list, and money in the bank. All right? Hope that helps. Talk to you soon.